I have seen on Facebook and other social medias to keep your house cooler to put a tent or a shade above your air conditioners. This is not a good idea at all. See, these compressors, these air conditioners, I don't know if you can hear me, they blow out hot air up to vent. If you put a shade or a tent or anything above them, it stops the hot air from venting. It can make your air conditioner work even harder, and it can even break it. So do not follow the advice of put a tent or shade over your air conditioners.